Welcome to foundation level of Invest Data Investing and Investment Education. I'm Sandra, and imagine your income stops for just 1 month. Would you be okay, or would one unexpected bill put you in debt? Today, we're looking at 5 reasons why you should save consistently. Remember this simple principle: bills pay for today, savings pay for tomorrow. Saving is not about being stingy. It is about giving yourself options later, so you don't have to panic today, especially with how things are in Nigeria. Reason 1. To handle emergencies without borrowing. Life happens: hospital bills, car repairs, rent increases, or delayed income. With savings, you solve the problem with your own money instead of borrowing and paying interest on top. Even having 100,000 Naira to 300,000 Naira set aside can make a major difference. One bad month does not have to break you. Your savings become a financial cushion between you and expensive emergency debt. Reason 2. To survive inflation and rising prices. Food, fuel, and transport costs can change constantly. Savings give you a cushion, so a sudden price increase doesn't force you to cut everything at once. Reason 3. To take opportunities when they come. A business deal, a course that can increase your income, a discounted laptop, Jabba funds, or better rent may require money quickly. Savings can turn "I wish I could" into "I can." Reason 4. To reduce stress and sleep better. Money stress affects your health, relationships, and decisions. Knowing you have 50,000 Naira or 500,000 Naira waiting in the bank gives you breathing room and helps you avoid desperate financial decisions. Reason 5. Savings builds the foundation for investing and big goals. You can't invest comfortably when you have zero savings. First, build 3 to 6 months of expenses for safety. Then you can begin investing in T-bills, mutual funds, business, or skills. Your savings can also help you reach major goals without unnecessary debt. Wedding expenses, house rent, school fees, or a car. You don't need to get there in one move. Save small, consistently until you reach the goal. Bills pay for today. Savings pay for tomorrow. Start with 1,000 Naira or 5,000 Naira monthly. The habit is what matters. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Invest Data and start saving today. See you in our next video.